Scores of Citizens Coalition for Change supporters were arrested at the memorial service for slain activist Mbonini and Cube. The arrests followed government warnings against what it labeled subversive activities. Promise Mkwananzi, spokesperson for the CCC, criticized the government's actions, calling them paranoid and urging citizens to continue lawful activities. Police reportedly blocked access to the memorial service, escalating an already tense situation. This incident is just the latest in a series of crackdowns. Recently, members of both the CCC and the National Democratic Working Group, NDWG, faced arrests for holding unsanctioned gatherings. As Zimbabwe grapples with political turmoil, the government's stance appears increasingly uncompromising. Will this crackdown stifle dissent or fuel further activism? Only time will tell. Stay informed, stay vigilant. This is Zim News Live, YTS, bringing you the latest updates.